Now, is it possible to take something out of the list at a specific place? So here we inserted a new item and we told it that we wanted it to appear at index place 4, which put it basically in the list at the place where we wanted it to go. But when we did remove, we just removed the instance of H. We didn't specify if we wanted it to disappear. So what would be a bit of an issue with that is if, for example, we had two H's. So how do I get rid of one of those H's and leave the other one in place? Well, I can just remove it at its specific index location. So much like we did here. But we don't use remove for that. We use something called pop. So what that will do is it will pop out that H. And if I say 0, it should get rid of the first one because it's just going to get rid of it. So I'm going to have to just comment these out. Otherwise, it's going to run that and get rid of it, and then there won't be anything to get rid of. So all I have to do at this point is say, right, let's pop it out. I don't need that because it knows that it's going to pop out whatever's at 0. So we don't need to tell it that it's H. It's just going to find 0 and just get rid. Okay, so let's press OK. We've got the original list, H-A-E-I-O-H. Then we've inserted the U. So now we've got A-E-I-O-U-H. And then we've popped off the first of those H's, or whichever character is at 0. And now it's gone. Now, if I was to basically copy and paste this back in, don't forget we don't want two variables to have the same name because that just gets really confusing. And I want to get rid of that last H at the same time. I could go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, let's get rid of whatever's at 5 as well. And now we're back to our original list of vowels. So remove's great if you just want to get rid of a specific character, but pop allows you to just be a lot more specific about where it is in the list that you want to get rid of, and then just pop it off.